So what use are we going to make of that? That seems like really quite simple idea, cross multiplication, we've all done that. How do we use it? Well, the first thing we do, if I want to know how my system responds, let's say to a step input, is to work it out. So I'm going to apply my input to the transfer function and then simplify the result. I'm usually more interested in the solution as a function of time. I'd like to be able to draw it on a graph. Okay. So the third step of this is to use my Laplace transform tables to convert my function back into the time domain.